Why organize your notes in Notion?
Notion is a powerful tool for taking and managing notes. But without proper organization, it's easy to lose track of valuable information. Structuring your notes lets you find what you need faster, prevents clutter, and helps you stay productive. In this guide, you'll learn proven methods to set up and organize your notes in Notion for maximum efficiency.
Create a clear notebook structure.
Start by creating a dedicated workspace or page in Notion just for your notes. Organize topics using main pages and nested subpages. For example, create a main notes page, then add subpages for each project, class, or topic. This creates a logical hierarchy, making your notes easy to navigate and update.
Use databases for dynamic organization.
Leverage Notion's database features. Create a notes database using a table, board, or gallery view. Add properties like tags, categories, dates, or status. This lets you filter and sort notes in multiple ways, track progress, and view related information at a glance. Databases provide powerful flexibility for managing large collections of notes.
Add tags and links for easy retrieval.
Add tags to your notes using the database properties or by inserting inline hashtags. Tags allow you to group and find related notes regardless of which page they're on. Use Notion's internal linking feature to reference key notes or connect related ideas. Linking and tagging make retrieving information quick and seamless.
Implement templates for consistency.
Boost your productivity by creating templates for note-taking. A template can include headings, checklist items, and standard fields that help you capture information consistently. Notion lets you save and reuse these templates for different types of notes, such as meeting summaries, study notes, or project logs.
Maintain and review your notes regularly.
To keep your system efficient, review and update your notes regularly. Archive outdated notes, consolidate similar information, and adjust your structure as your needs evolve. Set periodic reminders to clean up and reorganize. This helps ensure your Notion workspace remains streamlined, up to date, and ready to support your productivity.